Audacity is a free open-source digital audio editor and recording computer software application, available for Windows, Mac OS X, Linux and other operating systems. Audacity was started in May 2000 by Dominic Mazzani and Roger Dannenberg at Carnegie Mellon University. As of October 10, 2011, it was the 11th most popular download from SourceForge, with 76.5 million downloads. Audacity won the SourceForge 2007 and 2009 Community Choice Award for Best Project for Multimedia. Features and usage: in addition to recording audio from multiple sources, Audacity can be used for post-processing of all types of audio, including podcasts, by adding effects such as normalization, trimming, and fading in and out. Audacity has also been used to record and mix entire albums, such as by TuneYards. It is also currently used in the UK OCR National Level 2 ICT course for the Sound Creation Unit. Audacity's features include importing and exporting of WAV, AIF, MP3, OGG4Bs, and all file formats supported by Libsyn File Library. Versions 1.3.2 and later support free lossless audio codec. Version 1.3.6 and later also support additional formats such as WMA, AAC, AMI and AC3 via the optional FFmpeg library. Recording and playing back sounds, editing via cut, copy, and paste, with unlimited levels of undo, multitrack mixing, a large array of digital effects and plugins. Additional effects can be written with Nyquist, built-in LaDeSP plugin support. VST support available through an optional VST enabler. Amplitude envelope editing, noise removal based on sampling the noise to be removed. Audio spectrum analysis using the Fourier transform algorithm, support for multi-channel modes with sampling rates up to 96 kHz with 32 bits per sample, precise adjustments to the audio speed while maintaining pitch in order to synchronize it with video or run for a predetermined length of time, adjusting audio pitch while maintaining speed. Features of modern multitrack audio software including navigation controls, zoom and single-track edit, project pane and XY project navigation, non-destructive and destructive effect processing, audio file manipulation, conversion of cassette tapes or records into digital tracks by automatically splitting the audio. Source into multiple tracks based on silences in the source material, cross-platform operation. The Audacity works on Windows, Mac OS X, and Unix-like systems. Audacity uses the WX Widgets software library to provide a similar graphical user interface on several different operating systems. Audacity supports the LV2 open standard for plugins and can therefore load software like CAF Studio Gear. Limitations: Audacity supports only 32-bit VST audio effect plugins. It does not support 64-bit or instrument VST plugins. Audacity lacks dynamic equalizer controls, real-time effects and support for scrubbing. MIDI files can only be displayed. Audacity does not natively import or export WMA, AAC, AC3 or most other proprietary or restricted file formats. Rather, an optional FFmpeg library is required. Also, while Audacity does feature a vocal remover for the easy creation of karaoke tracks, a more desirable result requires several steps and use of the noise removal feature. Language support: in addition to English language help, the zip file of the downloadable Audacity software program includes help files for Afrikaans, Arabic, Basque, Bulgarian, Catalan, Chinese, Czech, Danish, Dutch, Finnish, French, Galician, German, Greek, Hungarian, Irish, Italian, Japanese, Lithuanian, Macedonian, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Slovak, Slovenian, Spanish, Swedish, Turkish, Ukrainian, and Welsh in its user interface. A partial Bengali help file is also included. The Audacity website also provides tutorials in several languages. Reception: the free and open nature of Audacity has allowed it to become very popular in education, encouraging its developers to make the user interface easier for students and teachers. Canet rated Audacity 5/5 stars and called it feature-rich and flexible. Preston Gralla of PC World said, "If you're interested in creating, editing, and mixing, you'll want Audacity." Jack Wallen of Tech Republic highlighted its features and ease of use. Michael Mushmer of PC Magazine rated it 3.5/5 stars and said, "Though not as slick or powerful as programs from the likes of Adobe, Sony, and M-Audio, Audacity is surprisingly feature-full for free software." In the Art of Unix Programming, Eric S. Raymond says of Audacity, "The central virtue of this program is that it has a superbly transparent and natural user interface, one that erects as few barriers between the user and the sound file as possible." See also: List of free software for audio, List of Linux audio software, multitrack recording, references. External links, official website, Audacity Wiki, editing audio in Linux, Audacity.